In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a take profit in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is select the asset you want to trade. So I went to Bitcoin USD over here, and then you want to open the order by clicking either New Order up top. You could press F9 on your keyboard if that works for you, or you could right-click on the asset here in the Market Watch and click on New Order. Now, from here, you can see there's a bunch of different things, and of course, when the symbol is selected, you can set your volume, and then down here, you can see it says take profit. So you can set the take profit over here. You could either go up or down, of course, to actually do this like this. So it's going to allow you to basically go up by 0.01, or you could go and manually type in a number, and then you can just click on sell or buy, and of course, with your order type. So I'm currently on market, but this is also going to be available on limit order, stop order, and stop limit order as well, like you can see over here. So whenever you've set this, I'm going to put it like that. You can then go ahead and execute your order, and there we go. We have a take profit set to our order. Now down here inside the trades tab in the toolbox, you can see we have all of them over here, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.